Today's assignment is a new vehicle options spreadsheet that you're going to be creating. So here are the instructions that you'll find in Google Classroom. Mr. Peterson is in need of a new vehicle. It is your job to do some research to find the best option. So you should find one vehicle that costs over $40,000. Any vehicle you want. Another vehicle should be between $20,000 and $39,999. One vehicle should be between $7,000 and $19,999, and the final vehicle should cost less than $7,000. So you're going to put this information into the spreadsheet that's provided, okay? So what that means is if you go into Google Classroom, you're going to see a new car options spreadsheet. So click and open it, open that spreadsheet, and then you're going to go to File and make a copy. Remember, click right in front of the new, and then you can hit the backspace key and get rid of all that and put your first name. Okay? Remember, if this doesn't say Computer 7, click on this here, and what happens is you're in your drive like this, you can click on these arrows and you can select Computer 7. Now, because mine's already in the Computer 7 folder, it won't let me, but it'll let you guys. So it makes a whole new sheet for you. And to clean up your tabs, if you want, X out of this stuff up here. Okay, so you just have your sheet open and the instructions, okay? However you want to do it. Alright, so you just need to go find the price and the year of some vehicles, okay? So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to open up another tab here, and I'm going to try cars.com. Now you can go on Craigslist, you can look at a lot of different places, okay? So I'm going to try to find a new car to start with, something that's over $40,000. So I'm going to look at a new F-150, okay? And the zip code, if you want to use the zip code, that's Malaca's, I believe, is 56353. You can search around the area, okay? So here I'm finding one. Here's one right here that's over $40,000. It's a 2018 Ford F-150 for $45,548. So I go back to my sheet here and I put F-150. So there you go right there. The year was a 2018 and the price, I got to go back and click on it because I don't remember, $45,548. So $45,548. There's one vehicle done, just like that. Now, I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to hit the back button. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try, how about a Dodge Ram pickup? So I'm going to look at that, and I got to scroll down some so I can see it all. A Dodge, and they don't have it. So I'm going to try all models once. And I'm going to see if I can find something that has a pickup. So here's a Charger. Here's some other vehicles here you can click on and find. So interesting. So that's kind of what I find. I think what I'm going to do is this 2018 Dodge Charger for $38,585. I'm going to write that one down because that'll be my cheaper price vehicle. So a Dodge Charger. It was a 2018 and I can't remember the price. So I'm going to go back, $38,585. There. So now I found a vehicle over $40,000 and I found a vehicle here. Now I need to find something a little bit cheaper. So I'm going to go back again. This time I'm going to look for an used car. And this time I'm going to try something in the Chevy field. And I'm just going to look at all models. Look for a Chevy. Okay. So here's one that actually fits that price range. Here's another one, a car, a Chevy Spark, Here's a Suburban. Ooh, I kind of like that. It's an LTZ, so that means it's fully loaded. And I like it's big enough to fit me. So I'm going to put that down, a 2007 Chevy Suburban. So I'm going to go back to my sheet here and put Chevy Suburban, and it was a 2007, and I think it was $10,000. I'm going to go double check. Yep, 10,000. Okay, good. Now I just need to find one more. Alright, one more. So, I need something under $7,000. So definitely going to be used. This time I'm going to try all makes, and I'm going to search for it. And this time I'm going to do price lowest to highest, so I can get some cheaper cars here, okay? So I'm going to look through, and you know what? I think, since I haven't done something for Honda, I'm going to do this 1999 Honda CR-V. So I'm going to go back and do a Honda CR-V. It was a 1999, I think, and the price was $1,450. There. So I found all four of my vehicles. Now if you want to find a motorcycle, if you want to find a tank or an old style vehicle, you go out there and find whatever you want to find. But four vehicles, and they got to fit in this price range, okay? They need to fit in this price range, otherwise you lose points. So now we got the information, okay? Now, step number one, go to cell D4 and enter this formula and press enter. So I'm just going to copy it right here. I'm going to highlight it, right click and copy, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste it. Okay, you see how the formula went right in up there and it put the numbers in for you? It's kind of nice, that old copy and paste feature. Okay, so then the next total that we have for number 2, go to cell E4 and enter this formula. So same thing, I'm going to copy it right here and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, same thing. Alright. Alright, so now we've done steps 1 and 2. Step 3, go to cell F4 and do equals E4. I'm just going to type that in, that's easy. So I do the equal sign, and I'm going to click on E4 and hit enter. So there's my loan amount, okay? Now notice how these look bigger, and they are. They're size 12, and this is size 10. So I'm going to make my whole spreadsheet, I'm going to click this button right here, and I'm going to make it all size 11. Okay, so it's all one size. So there we go, okay? I'm going to get rid of this because I don't need it, and this, and this. Okay. So, step number 5, rearrange the columns so the vehicle type is column A and the total cost is column B. So when I go back here, here's the total cost, okay? I click on it, and I click and I hold down and I move it over here. Now I'm dealing with money, and this column is money, this column, and this column, and this column. They're all money. So here's where the money started, was column D. So if I click on the D, I can format to currency and it makes it all money right here, okay? All money. So I have these money amounts. So I did step 5. Step 6, select all of row 3 and click bold. So row 3, bold. Step 7, select cells A1 to H2 and select fill color green. So A1, and let's just go to F2. Let's go to F2 because that's all we need. So fill color is going to be green. I'm going to pick this green right here. Okay, step number 8, select cells A1 to H1 and click merge. So A1 to H1, we're going to merge. And same thing, A2 to F2, click merge. You have to do them separately or they won't merge properly. If you try to do them together, you'll get an error like this. Can't merge them, okay? So, we got that done. Alright. So now we're on step 10. Select cells A3 to B7. So A3 to B7, and we're going to insert and a chart. Okay, let's see what kind of chart they want. It's a line chart. Okay, so we're going to go up here and we're going to do line. Now notice how it has the total cost here on the side. has the vehicle type underneath. Here's our chance to doctor it up a little bit though, okay? So I'm going to customize it and go to the chart style. I'm going to pick a special background color. That's kind of bright. Maybe I'll try this color. Whatever color you want, you guys pick. That doesn't look good. Actually, I kind of like that blue color, but I can't see the line now. So I'm going to go down to the series, and I'm going to change that to red. So you see how that is? And I'm going to make it thicker. I'm going to make it 8, so it's a big line here. Okay? And I'm going to even put some star points on the line here. So you have it. The legend, I can go down to that. Let's put it, the legend. Let's position it on the bottom. I kind of like it down there. Okay? So there, you see how you can make that kind of different stuff and make adjustments and make a nice graph? So I'm going to X out of this. Let's see what the next step is. Position the chart below row 7. So when you click on it and hold down with your mouse, whoops, I'm sorry, you got to click on it and then click and hold down with your mouse and put it right here. Okay, now what I should probably do is go through this, make sure I can see everything, make sure everything is visible on here, make sure all the columns are wide enough. Maybe put my name in here, okay? Make it look nice, alright? So before you turn it in, just do all that stuff. Make sure you turn in a nice looking product. Make sure the chart isn't covering anything. And then you'll be good to go. Good luck.